I can see my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Yes guys, check in, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Emotion Adventureland TV. And guys, I can hear in the background. You know, so we're up on a river guys, in a Portland. Yeah man, you don't know a thing go. So man, we're going to link up with the Ganja Tours. You know the thing go. Yeah man guys, so we're there with him and Baker. Don't know a thing go guys, we're out here. Explore the place, you know. River nice and pretty. You don't know Baker there pick up some food. Yeah man, we just take on through the river. You don't know a thing go. Yeah man, and the general there seeing you guys. Yeah man, go and match up seeing you. So please remember guys, like, share. Yeah man, and subscribe. You don't know anything go. Road to 7K almost there guys. And then we head on to 8, and then we head on to 9, then we head on to 10, 100. I know anything go guys, so just keep supporting the channel guys. Yeah man, I love the support. You know give me. Yeah man, so stay tuned and watch out man. Yes guys, you know anything go? Memories, you know? Yeah, what? You know, long we don't never see here. Whee! What? Big song, nice man. That's the going for what they're going to. You know? Yeah, the place nice man. Yeah man people, that's it so. We're there with J-Body Baker, you know? Go on the right thing. And Ganja Tour. Alright, you know the thing go? That's it. Just go and lock in. Gotcha, go on. This, huh? Nice. Puppy fat, you know. Come on, we're up on the river, you know, people. You know what thing, go? Water nice and pretty, you know, man. Go on, man. Yeah, the Ganja Tour. You know what thing, go? Water blue and nice. Yeah, that's it.
Come sit, come. Good girl. She swim too. Don't swim, man. Come.
It's good.
Yeah. I tell us, I never know so much people love dog out there. But the people say, yo, I only follow your channel because it's down. Yeah.
You see, man. Come, 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 puppy, come.
See it. Come here. Get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, see it. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it,
Yeah?
get it.
Yeah, that's it. Show me can jump on.
I want him to like water and I want to swim. Go and go swim, man. You're nasty like. Go and go swim, man. You always last when Go and go swim. Go back someone. I'm not like I said. French time that, you know. That's
Right, man, I see nice. On the river, you know? French time, you know, guys?
I and I did plant it too.
Yeah, man, it'll come up nice, man.
French time, you know, so I should say
Yeah, man, people, it's a nice environment, you know, guys. Nature, you know? Yeah, you can see, guys, the river, the trees, you know? Beautiful birds, them in the background, seeing here, guys. Yeah, it's a joy, man. Nice, nice, nice. Come on, guys, I don't know a thing, huh? Now we're out here with Baker and the ganja tour, you know? Come on, so there you can see, guys, the river come all the way up. You can see up here is a nice little swimming pond scene here, guys. Come on, it's a beautiful, beautiful environment, people. You don't know a thing, a nice little place to book an adventure too. Yeah, man, you don't know. Yeah, man, so you can roll in, guys. You know, link up with me, link up with Baker, see here. Link up with the general, you don't know it's a theme base. Yeah, man, it's a nice, nice, nice place, guys. I always see the river here from some other YouTuber content, you know. I never know say the place like really, so beautiful people, you know. Yeah, man, so we're here with him today, cook up some food. That is it. I don't know a thing, so just go and stay tuned. Watch out, and like, share, guys, subscribe. That is it.
the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan.
The one people me there match up the food, you know, guys. So I go on. Man, you know, Baker match up some food. We are eat up my one, you know. And some curry chicken. And some curry fish. This is avocado, see how people, everything go. Oh, really good, guys. Really, really, really good. Man, God, me dip on the final, you know what thing go? Wow. Good Lord, man. Stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna watch one. Yeah, man, people, check in back as you can see. Where they come down, you know, guys. We're there with the ganja tour and Baker. You don't know anything, guys. So, you're head home, you know, guys. So, please remember, like, share, and subscribe. Want to catch you in our next adventure, guys. We're out here. That is it. Come on, team channel, guys, and check it out. The ganja tour. So, lock in, outside with there.
From town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes. show.